Welcome back to How to University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How to University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to change a banner within your YouTube channel. So first things first, once you click on the view channel button here, it's going to take you to the front page. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change it here by looking up at the top right here. If you're not on the channel that you want, you're going to go to switch accounts. We're going to drop down to Ayla's Digital World. Now we're here. There should be a button that pops up that says customize channel. Once you find this button, you want to click on that button and head over to the branding section. Here under the branding section, very important things to follow. The banner size must be anywhere between the size of 2048 by 1152 pixels. Make sure that that's there. So for the sake of the video, we're going to change that banner, and all you have to do is click change, find the banner that you want. So let's go ahead and look for it, and let's say we wanted to change it to this banner here. It's going to show you what's going to be viewable on desktop, what will show exactly everything, and then what's going to view on all devices. So the How to University channel there. All you have to do is hit done. Once you've hit done, you see that there is a change right there on the little display, and then you would just go up to the top right, hit publish. Now it's going to go ahead and publish that, and then we're going to get a little pop-up that says changes published. Go to channel. All you have to do is hit view channel up at the top right, and now your banner has been uploaded. If this was helpful, make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.